What's going on, guys? It's 4:30 in the morning here. We are heading up north to pick up the new project car for the channel. Got a 7-hour round trip. Get up there and back before the snow hits up there. We're really pumped about this one, so let's get up there and get this car back. Let's go. I used to do this for fun in my old thirds in high school, but it was a lot easier when I was a lot smaller.
I just hope it starts up. Think battery?
Alright guys, here she is. If my voice sounds a little funny today, it's because I'm just getting over a cold I had. Had a pretty bad sore throat and stuff. My vocal cords are still a little bit weird, but yeah, this is the Camaro we went up north to pick up. It's a 1991 Z28 1LE. Pretty special car to me. I know it's kind of ugly and rough at the moment, but we're going to take care of that. It's a 350 tune port. Previous owner swapped in a T56 6-speed, which is pretty exciting. It was an automatic car factory, which will also be okay with me, but being the handshakers in it, that's even better. Just at first glance, it's going to need, I could probably fix that fender, but he gave me two looks to be good fenders in the trunk for it. We'll look those over here in a minute. And then it's also going to need, that fender's banged up pretty bad. And it's going to need the ground effects. Hood looks to be in great condition. It's got the blisters there. All of it, I mean, obviously needs stripped and painted, but I don't see a single ding in the hood at all. I have had the hood open. Underneath the hood, I don't see any rust at all. Hood looks perfect. Roof looks perfect. I don't see any dings, dents, rust starting, anything on the roof. Same with the doors. There might be a ding or two in the doors, but the doors, the bottom inside edge, lip edge is completely rust-free and solid. Mirrors are good. Quarter panels are amazing condition for one of these. I've had quite a few of these cars, and here lately, I haven't seen quarter panels as good as what's on this car, which is awesome. Obviously, the 9192 Z wing is good condition. The taillights are great condition, no cracks, no anything like that. Just we'll clear coat those, make them nice. Rear bumper's good. Hatch glass is good. There's obviously some baked paint, but it's solid. Here's this quarter panel. Looks great. Door. All the glass. pretty exciting. This one should be pretty easy to bring the cosmetics of the body and paint back. Obviously, it needs completely taken down and brought back up, but I don't see any rust repair that's going to need done. So that's great. It's got the matching wheels, which I don't care for, but it is cool that they came with it to just kind of put back if I decide to, you know, get rid of this car one day or something like that. But the plan right now is to keep this car for quite a long time and fix it up, as I've been looking for one of these for a long time. Not necessarily a 1LE. Didn't think I'd ever get the chance to get a 1LE because the prices on these cars with low mileage and all that stuff, which are the ones you usually see have low mileage, are insane amount of money. This one here has around 130,000 on it, which still has a lot of life left in it and all that stuff, but kind of out of that realm of high-end collectability, low mileage, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to do what we want to do with this car, build it how we want to build it, and just have a good time with it. Here's a quick shot of the interior. Obviously manual windows with the 1LE. I like how it's already got the airbag wheel taken out. I'm not a fan of those. 145 mile an hour speedo. The dash is not cracked that I've seen anywhere. It's got some goop stuff on it. I'll get that cleaned up, kind of bring this back to life. Needs a headliner, which is fine. Those are pretty easy to obtain. Pretty clean looking 6-speed swap. Gonna get all this stuff out of the interior and really see what we got going on. There's stuff just piled in here for the journey back. I'll pop the hood, show you what we got going on there. I think it's for the most part stock, other than a couple things. It's got this ignition box, and it's got some Edelbrock shorty headers, which I'm going to replace. It's got UMI strut towers, and these are Coney adjustable struts, which actually seem to be fairly, not necessarily new. They've been on the car for a while. I found the receipt in the car when they were replaced, but they don't look to have hardly any miles put on them, so they're pretty new condition-wise as far as that goes. Yeah, so it's pretty much all there. For the most part, I think it's stock. A few suspension things. It's got tubular trailing arms under the rear end of it. Those struts I was telling you about. The strut tower mounts, which are good because I plan to lower the car, put it down pretty good, get a good stance. Anything I build, I try to focus on stance and wheels and tires probably the most. So that's really important, especially on this car for me. So yeah, let's get the hatch open, and I'm gonna start pulling everything out of the interior so we can see what kind of goodies are in there and really assess the overall condition of what we got going on in there. Struts that work. Pretty nice fender. Ooh, that one is not. That one is not so nice, which is okay, because luckily I have a pair of good fenders off another car. the muffler's all bashed up. All right. I'm gonna wrap this video up here. It's our 91 Z28 1LE project. It's gonna be a little slow. We got a lot of other stuff going on, but kind of give you a rundown of what we're dealing with here. I think first thing, next video, we're gonna be getting it to actually run. Start working on the mechanical stuff to get it to run. It will start up now, but it will not run well at all. I think it needs a good tune-up and maybe a couple sensors replaced and some brake work and all the stuff from the car sitting too long. Then we're going to go on to body work, paint, wheels, tires, suspension, all the good stuff then. So if this is something you guys are into, I personally love these cars. Had a ton of them. Really happy this one's here, even though it does need some work. So if you guys want to see the build on this, or if you're just here for a couple things we might do to it or whatever, definitely keep checking in on it. Like I said, next video we're gonna get running. We'll start getting it to that point, start figuring out what's wrong with this, we'll diagnose them, and we're gonna do this thing. One of these for a long time. We're gonna make this car exactly what I've always wanted in one of these. So this is the right car to start with. So yeah, stay tuned. Maybe a couple weeks, maybe not even that. We'll see. But we'll definitely be putting out another video on this soon, getting it running, and figuring out more stuff about it, learning more stuff about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, we're excited about this one. Stay tuned. Thanks, guys.